Hi everyone, Kuiera here with eXp Realty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm absolutely thrilled to take you on a journey through Empire Pointe by Mattamy Homes, nestled in Queen Creek, Arizona. Excuse me. Empire Pointe boasts with three incredible collections of homes, each offering a diverse range of floor plans from cozy retreats to spacious havens. Let's delve into what Empire Pointe has in store for you. They have the Amber Collection. Discover your perfect snug sanctuary with homes ranging from 1,775 to 2,624 square feet. The Emerald Collection. Need more space to spread your wings? Those homes range from 2,546 to 3,983 square feet. There's also the Sterling Collection. Experience luxury at its finest with homes ranging from 2,023 to 3,391 square feet. At Empire Pointe, your days are destined to sparkle with endless possibilities. Step outside your door and immerse yourself in a world of fabulous amenities tailored just for you. You have the top-of-the-line fitness center or a resort-style sparkling pool with everything you need to live your best life. Some of those amenities, as I already mentioned, the sparkling resort-style pool and the state-of-the-art fitness center. There's also the paw parks for your furry friends. There's a shaded play park for the little ones. There's game lawns for some friendly competition. Also, pickleball courts for active fun. You have a poolside open-air pavilion for cozy gatherings. Outdoor cooking with shaded pergolas. Indoor gathering room for special moments, and half basketball court for some hoop action. Excuse me. Now we know that our lives can be very busy, so there are schools nearby and also shopping. This community is part of the Queen Creek Unified School District, offering prestigious institutions such as Smith Elementary, Newell Barney Middle, and Crimson High School. At Empire Pointe, every day is a celebration. Come join the fun and create memories that last a lifetime. Your perfect home is awaiting you here. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more updates and tours. Don't forget to share and like the video as well. Feel free to reach out with any questions. My contact information is listed below. See you in the next video, and thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.